In this video, I'm going to show you how to move your existing YouTube channel to a brand account. The process is actually pretty simple. First, sign into your Google account and open YouTube. First, we need to create a second YouTube channel. This will be used as the destination for our existing channel. You can give it any name you want. For this example, I'm just creating a new channel. Once the new channel is created, go back to your YouTube account settings. From here, open the Advanced Settings section. This is where we can move our existing channel to another YouTube channel. At this point, YouTube may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. If you see a verification screen, simply follow the instructions and complete the verification. Now you should see the channel transfer screen. Select the second channel that we just created. Make sure you select the correct channel before continuing. YouTube will now show you a warning about the transfer. Take a moment to read the information carefully before continuing. Keep in mind that some information on the destination channel may be deleted during this process. In my case, the second channel is completely empty, so there's nothing important on it. I can safely remove this channel and continue with the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, go back to YouTube and check your channel. Depending on the account, it may take a little while for everything to update. After everything is updated, you'll be able to manage your channel through the brand account. This also allows you to add other people as managers or transfer ownership of the channel more easily. And that's it. That's how you move a YouTube channel to a brand account.